Welcome to Math Physics Engage. In this video, we will explore the real-world applications of linear equations and how they can be used to develop a retirement investment strategy. So before we start, I'd appreciate it if you could subscribe to my channel to see more content like this. Let's get started. In this problem, we are provided with the information that a retired woman has $500,000 to invest, and she needs to generate $60,000 a year from the interest to meet living expenses. One option is a bond investment that pays 15% annual interest, but it's riskier. The rest of the money she wants to put in a CD that pays 7%. And we are asked how much should she invest in each option to sustain a $60,000 annual return. Let's solve this problem on the whiteboard.
Let us develop a mathematical model in order to figure out how much she should invest in each option to sustain a 60,000 annual return. Now, in order to do that, let's first define a variable x, that is the amount invested in the bond. So, amount in bond, and if x is the amount invested in bond, the amount invested in CD will be our 500,000 minus x. Okay, so once we have these two variables defined, let us write our equation here, that we are getting 15% annual interest for the investment in bond. So I can write 0.15, that is the 15% that she will be getting on amount x, plus she is getting 7%, so that will be 0.07, or 7 divided by 100, and she is going to invest 500,000 minus x. That is all the rest of the money that is not invested in the bond is being invested in the CD, and she is expecting a return of $60,000. Now, this is our linear expression that is created from the word problem provided above. Now, once we have this equation, let's go ahead and solve for the value of x. So this will become 0.15x plus 0.07 times 500,000. That is equals to 35,000 minus 0.07 x, that is equals to 60,000. Now let's simplify. This will become 0.08 equals to 60,000 minus 35,000, that is equals to 25,000. We have an x here as well, so 0.08x, and our value of x will become 25 divided by zero point zero 0.08, and that is coming around 312,500. Okay, so this is the dollar amount she needs to invest in the bond uh, in order to get that 60,000. Now, if that is the case, let's see how much she needs to invest in CD. That will be our 500,000 minus this amount, that is equals to 187,500. Okay, so this is the amount needed to be invested in the CD. Now, once we have this number, let's verify this based on the interest that we are getting. So let's do a quick verification step that she's expected to get 15% on the $312,500 she is putting in bond. That will be giving her, if we multiply these two terms, it is 46875, and the remaining that she's getting 7% on 187,500. This is the amount she is putting in the CD. If we multiply these two terms, we are getting 13125. And if you add both of them together, it will be 0, 0, and 0, 0, and 60,000. Okay, so here you can see the verification is step as well, where the total amount is $60,000.